pause the video if you want to read recipes.
Hello, Helpless Chef here. Today I am going to be making some lasagna two different ways. On a traditional way, in a pan, in the oven. I'm also going to be making it in the dishwasher. Why do I want to make it in a dishwasher? It's more of an experimental kind of thing. I saw it on YouTube on someone else's channel, Stephan. He watched someone else make lasagna in the dishwasher. I think it was like Extreme Cheapskates. He himself also tried to make lasagna. I have been putting off watching it for quite some time. I think it's been about 2 months maybe since he's posted that video. And I've really been wanting to watch it, but I resisted because I wanted to do it myself. And I didn't want to get influenced in any way by any of their other videos. So I'm just gonna try it myself and see what happens. Alright, so I got my thermometer right here and it's rigged to the basket with twist ties. I don't think it's going anywhere. Which of these options I'm going to use? I wonder what sanitize does. Let's just do top rack and high temp. High temp, start. Oh, 93, 97. The temperature went up to as high as 142 degrees. "93 minutes? Jeez.
Meep meep.
This lasagna has been done for about 5 minutes now. It was around 151 degrees when I just checked, so I could leave it in there a little bit longer just to make sure it cooks, but all of the ingredients are cooked already. So I'm just gonna go for it. Here we go. Right in. Well, let's check this first. I don't have an extra thermometer, or else I would have checked it sooner. Oh, 153. Stab through all the layers of foil and see what happens. This one is the silly lasagna, as portrayed by the silly character. Okay guys, at long last, at the moment of truth, to see which one's better. And after this, I can finally watch Stephan make lasagna in his dishwasher. Okay, so let's go ahead and give it a try. I have some basil here. I actually really like the smell and the taste of fresh basil. Okay, we're gonna try the real one first. It tastes like lasagna. It tastes pretty good. Okay, so that's really good. The lasagna noodles are cooked right. They're not too hard. I've had some lasagna that was like frozen, that was microwaved, and the outer edges of the lasagna gets kind of hard and crunchy. Not very pleasant. Actually, let me try that. There it is. Okay, so let me revise. Okay, so it tastes just like the frozen lasagna. Still has that crunchy outer crust that I don't like, which is fine. But I think it's a really good sign that something that I made, that I didn't make before, tastes just like something familiar, so it's good. What I like about it is that the noodles, the parts that are not part of the crust, they're cooked well. They chew easily. They're kind of soft and it's pleasant. It's not mushy. And the sauce is tomatoey with a little bit of sweetness. The meat mixture in it, I didn't realize but it had both beef and pork. Maybe it usually doesn't, I don't know, but in this one, the combination tastes pretty good. I like it. The meat was seasoned just enough. Usually I like things pretty salty. Very good. So let's try this one. So the first thing that I noticed is that what should be the crust does not seem like crust. You know, this wasn't baked in the oven, unprotected from foil at all. So that might be the reason why. Also, it was cooked at a lower heat, so that's part of it. Let's go ahead and try it. I think this is part of the crust. Okay, so I'm really confused. I almost think that this tastes better than that. That's good. Okay, so why do I think it's good? It doesn't seem as dry. It seems a bit more moist, more hydrated, more juicy. I don't know what it is, but it's not as dry as this one is. Okay, so let's go back to this one. Let's get a chunk of mozzarella. Cheers. I'm really confused. Okay, I think I have an explanation. So, in the oven, when this lasagna is cooking, there's not as much moisture in its atmosphere, if that makes any sense. It's just a dry oven. There's just dry heat circulating around the oven. Now, on the other hand, in the dishwasher, there's a lot of moisture in there. It's not as high of a heat as over here, relatively speaking. It's a high heat, so it's about 150 degrees. It's kind of like you're steaming the lasagna. As stupid as it sounds, I actually like this better than that. Now this tastes good, but this tastes better, with the reason being this is not as dry. So overall, can you make lasagna in the dishwasher? Yes, you can. Should you? I don't know. I don't think so, because normally you're gonna have some kind of detergent. There's still the risk of eating dishwashing soap. At least with this recipe, a lot of the prep work included heating on the stovetop, cooking the ingredients anyway. Let's watch and react to Stephan making lasagna in a dishwasher. Hey, you were at Grandpa and Grandma's house?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Oh, I missed you.
And they had big trucks.
They had big trucks? Oh, that's awesome. Hey, you want to try the lasagna? Okay, let's try it together. You like it?
Yeah. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Smell you later.
Smell you later.